Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel about online MATLAB learning. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, I'll present you what MATLAB and simulating is. MATLAB is a computation tool and a scientific language for engineers, whereas simulating is an extension software of MATLAB, a modeling, simulation, and analysis tool of dynamic system. Here you are the MATLAB interface. First of all, here you are the menu bar. However, MATLAB consists of 4 windows such as the current folder, command window, workspace, and the command history. Now I present you what mean each part of MATLAB. The first is the current folder. The current folder area. Here you are the current folder area. The current folder area displays the files of our current folder. As you can see, here you are the name of our current folder. If I want to change my current folder, I just have to click on this icon in order to browser on my different folder. I am looking for another folder. I click on MATLAB. This part is empty. Let's continue. Okay. Here you are the name of our current folder. And the second is the command window area. Here you are the command window area. This is where you tap your code or instructions. And here you are the workspace. The workspace displays all the commands currently in memory. And the last is the command history window. It records all the commands you have executed. In short, the command history is a record of MATLAB commands that allows you to easily find and reuse what you have already typed. It's very convenient when you are working on a project or frequently repeating the same commands. Let's continue. In order to display the command history window, you just have to click on layout and then command history and then docked layout history and as you can see, all the command recorded previously are now displaying in my command history. If I want to be back on my previous page, I just have to click on this window. As you can see, I became on my previous window. Now I present you two instructions that are very important when you are working on a project. The first is CLC. CLC delete the previous command of my command window, and the second is clear. And the second is clear. Now I do an instance. If I declare a variable and I assign it the numerical value true, and I add semicolon after my numerical number in order to delete MATLAB echo. Second, I declare B variable and I assign it the numerical value 3 and I had semicolon in order to delete the MATLAB echo. Now, if I want to delete where I want a empty window, empty command window, I just have to type CLC. As you can see, my command window is now empty. However, if I want to delete all the command currently in memory in my workspace, I just have to type clear. As you can see, our workspace is now empty. Now I arrived at the end of my first video about online MATLAB learning. If you want any precision and if you want a problem about a specific things in this video, don't hesitate to ask me in the comments. See you on the next video. Goodbye, everyone.